Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to check the text message counter on the Nokia 105. So basically see how many texts you've sent or received. To do this, press the middle button and press it again to head into the menu. And you should be greeted with the messages section right in the middle. If not, navigate to it and then select it. Now in the messages options, come all the way down to message counter here, and let's go into that. Now here you can see sent messages, currently 0 as I have not sent any messages on this phone. Received messages 1, clear counter. So you'll be able to see how many messages you've sent and how many messages you've received. If you ever want to clear it, you can select clear counters here at the very bottom, and you can have a clear all, just the sent or just the received. So that is how to check how many messages you've sent or received on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.